Hi and welcome, I'm Daniel Berry, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to play the chords A minor to G minor, which follows on from the last video I done on how to play the major chords A to G. But before we get started, it would be great if you could click on the like and subscribe buttons, as this helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar based tutorials. So with all that out of the way, go and grab your guitar and let's get to it. Right, so here we go then, A minor to start with. So what I want you to do is we're going to put our first finger, as before, we're going to go just behind the fret. So first finger, second string, first fret, there we go, right there. Then second finger, fourth string, second fret, and then your third finger just underneath. Now as you can see, you can't get that close to the fret with the second finger. That's just one of those things. It's that's how you play the A minor, just like that. Got it? And you're going to want to play all 6 strings for that. So here we go. You can hear characteristically of a minor chord, sad sounding. That's the difference between the major and the minor. If you go tonally, you can hear that the minor chords sound gloomy, sad, grey skies. It's a quick and easy way to remember what's going on there. Right, so that's the A minor. Now B minor. We're going to move up to the second fret. We're going to go first finger, first string, second fret. Then we're going to move along to the third fret, second string, with our second finger. Then we're going to move up to the fourth string with our third finger, and we're going to drop our little finger just below that on the fourth fret, third string. So there we go. Hold that up to the camera for you if you can see that. There you go, I'm going to clearer than that. If you're watching this back on a widescreen telly, you're going to have the clearest view of what's going on here. So that's a B minor. And unfortunately, we can only play the 4 strings of this. A lot of people get away with doing a bar chord of this, which is just extending your whole finger over the whole 6 strings. I will be doing a video on bar chords, so don't panic. So for the moment, we'll just stick to this one. This is a B minor, and you play 4 strings. So basically, you only play the strings that you're pressing. So it should sound like this. Another sad sounding chord. There we go. Right, now that's B minor. Now C minor, all we do, we get what we've just done in B minor and move the whole thing along. There we are. The same thing, but in the third fret. So third fret, fourth fret, and then fifth fret on the fourth string and third string. There we go. So that is C minor. I'll hold that up for you. There we go. Okay, so D minor then. I'm going to go back to the first fret, first string, first finger. Second fret, third string, second finger. Third fret, second string, third finger. There we go. I'll hold that up to the screen so you can see. Now this is, you play 5 strings, so that's 1, 2, so it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. There's a D minor. E minor, probably the easiest chord you'll ever come by. 2 middle fingers. Now, there's a okay, so if you saw the previous video, I spoke about the best way to play a G major. Go back, have a little look at that. Now this falls into the same sort of category. A lot of books say play E minor with the first 2 fingers. Again, I think it's a terrible idea, because you can't then go from an E minor to an E major, which is there, right? So if you was to play you have to, what I'm trying to say is you have to take all your fingers off and put them back on again in the new major shape. So if you was to do your E minor with, instead of doing the first 2 fingers, do the 2 middle fingers like that, then you've got E minor, and then if you've got this first finger free to put on the first fret, 3rd string, it gives you your E major. See, E minor, E major, E minor, E major. You know, it's just a better idea all round. So what I'm going to say, and I'll always say, and no one's going to persuade me otherwise, I'm sure I'll get a few comments on that, but 2 middle fingers, and we're going to go 2nd fret on the 5th string and 2nd fret on the 4th string. There we go. Hold that up to the camera for you to see. There we go. That's E minor. F minor. If you thought F was bad, F minor is a little bit more tricky. Again, unless you're making a bar chord. I will do it, like I said, I'll do a video on bar chords, but F minor is, instead of holding 2, what you did for the F, you're going to hold down 3. Okay, so that's 3 strings with 1 finger, and then with your 3rd and 4th fingers, we're going to go 5th string, 3rd fret, 4th string, 3rd fret, and you're going to play all 5 strings. It's going to make it sound like this. Pardon my middle finger. There we go. So that's F minor, and for G minor we just move all of that up so that your first finger is now in what they call 3rd position, which means you start your 3rd finger at your first finger on the 3rd fret. That's 3rd position. So you're holding 1, 2, 3 on the 3rd fret, and then you're going to be putting your 3rd finger on the 5th fret, 5th string, and your little finger just below that on the 4th string, and that is your G minor. Again, that's 5 strings. Play 5 strings for that one. Okay, so there we are, minor chords A minor to G minor. As I've previously said, the 3 types of chords I would call the most important are majors, minors and 7ths. So in the next video I will be showing you how to place the 7th chords A7 to G7. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please can you drop me a like and subscribe, with a big thank you to those that have already subscribed. Also, why not head over to danielberryguitartutor.com and sign up for my newsletter. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.